Eka Destiana. My student ID number is 24252091. Here I would like to share my opinion about smoking on area campus. Are there any students here who smoke? Guys, we don't actually prohibit you from smoking, but smoking is very dangerous and you must be mindful of your surroundings and know where you can smoke, especially on campus. Smoking should not be allowed on campus because of its negative impact on health and the environment. Cigarette smoke can cause various diseases and is very dangerous for people around smokers, including students who are not smoke, including students who do not smoke. If the campus environment is free or cigarette smoke, it can improve the environment, making it healthier, more comfortable, and more productive. Do you know the effect of smoking? Yeah, the effect of smoking include respiratory problems, concentration disorders, decreases motivation to study, and the risk of long-term diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and stroke. Smoking also affects our mental health. For example, it can trigger anxiety, mild depression, and sleep disorder, which can hinder your day activities. Do you want to have difficulty concentrating? As student on the campus, please stop smoking in campus areas. Take care of the building and the environment for your future. But most importantly, take care of your body, guys. That's all I have to say. Thank you. Hello, I'm here to explain the simple present tense, guys. Okay. What is a present tense? The simple present tense is used to discuss general materials, things that happen, repeated, or general truth. Therefore, the simple present tense is the most frequently used tense in everyday life. The simple present tense is usually marked by the following time expressions. Okay, this is example: always, usually, often, sometimes, every day, every week, 3 times a day, one a month, never. Okay, next, in verbal tenses, the subject is followed by a verb. Meanwhile, in nominal tenses, the subject is followed by a noun-verb that we commonly know as an auxiliary verb or to be. What is the formula for the simple present tense in general? The formula for the simple present tense is subject plus verb. Verb 1, s or as, plus complement. For positive sentence with a verbal pattern, the pattern is nominal, then the formula for the present tense becomes subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement. The next, simple present tense. How do you form simple present tense sentence? Here is the simple present tense formula you can ask. Okay. Positive, subject plus to be plus complement. Negative, subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Question, to be, subject plus complement. Example of the simple present tense with noun sentence patterns. Positive, I am an international school student. Negative, she is not an international school student. Question, is she an international school student? Next, simple present tense nominal formula in the simple present tense. Subject I, predicate I'm, complement noun. Subject I, subject you, they, we, plural subject. Predicate are, complement adjective. Subject he, she, it, singular subject, predicate, is. Complement adverb. Next, verbal simple present tense. The formula positive, negative, and question of the simple present tense for verbal patterns is positive subject plus verb 1, C or S, plus complement. Negative subject do or does not, plus verb 1, plus complement. Question do, does, plus subject plus verb 1 complement. As discussed earlier in verbal sentences, you don't need to add to be after the subject because the verb acts as the predicate. The good thing is that verbs in test tenses are in their basic form, meaning they have not undergone any change. Next, verbal sentence formula in the simple present tense. Subject, are you Dewi? Plural subject. Predicate verb, verb 1. Complement noun and adjective. Subject, he, she, it, singular subject. Predicate verb s or as. Complement adverb. Okay. Next, adding a final letter in the simple present tense verb for third person pronoun he, she, it. Verb ending c, sh, addition, as. Example horses. Verb ending ch, addition, same, as. Example cats. S, glasses. Z, buses. X, fixes. Consonant plus y, addition, es. Example adverb. Verb ending vocal plus y, addition, s. Example boys. O, addition, s or nas. Example videos, potatoes. The next, positive or affirmative simple present tense. Us, like nouns, verbal sentences also have positive form, as we discussed earlier. Example of simple present tense sentence. Example, I live in Jakarta. I don't live in Jakarta. Negative simple present tense. Now, specifically for negative sentences and interrogative sentence, use do or does, or do not, don't, and does not. Negative simple present tense. Example, I don't live in Jakarta and she doesn't live in Jakarta. The next simple present tense question, interrogative. In question pattern, sentences are divided into two parts normally. Yes or no question. Example, do I work? Does he work? As the same suggests, this is a yes or no question, so you only need to answer the above question with yes, I do. Yes, he does. Okay. What are some examples of the simple present tense? Example 1. Positive, she listens to music every morning. Negative, she does not listen to music every morning. Question, does she listen to music every morning? Next example, positive, he works in an office. He does not work on coffee. Negative example, question, does he not work in an coffee? Example 2, positive, I play football every day. Negative, I don't play football every day. Question, do you play football every day? Example next. Positive, you like coffee. Negative, You don't like coffee. Question: do you like coffee? Next, example 3. Positive. It rains a lot in November. It doesn't rain a lot in November. Or it doesn't not rain a lot in November. Question: does it rain a lot in November? Example next example positive. They play games on weekends. Negative. They don't or don't know play games on weekend. Question: do they play games on weekends? Example 4. He helped his mother in the kitchen. Negative. He doesn't help his mother in the kitchen. Question: does he help his mother in the kitchen? Next, she sings very well. She doesn't sing very well. Does she sing very well? Example 5. You listen to music every night. You don't listen to music every night. Do you listen music every night? Next, we clean the classroom every morning. We don't clean the classroom every morning. Do we clean the classroom every morning? So, if the verb has an s or as in the ending, use a doesn't or doesn't not. If there is no s or as in ending, use don't or don't not. Okay. Next, what are the characteristics of the simple present tense? 1. Use verb in their best form, infinitive or irregular verb that are already known. Example: I play soccer every weekend. Play is a verb in its best form. 2. Uses auxiliary verb, namely do or does, for verbal sentences in negative and interrogative form. Example: she doesn't eat meat. Does not, auxiliary verb in negative form for the subject she. Do you like chocolate? Do, auxiliary verb form question with the subject you. 3. In the present tense, there are usually time adverb such as always, usually, often, seldom, rarely, never, every day, every week, every month, every years. Example: I always drink coffee in the morning. The function of the simple present tense in a sentence. 1. General truth. Yeah. Stating general truth or absolute truth. 2. Reported action showing daily activity. Express feeling and emoticon expressing feeling and emotion. Next, for the schedule event, talking about a coming event. 5. Command or instruction, starting, comment or introduction. That's all I can say. Thank you.